Navetta 30 is built by Custom Line, one of the shipyards from the Ferretti Group. It has something more than its competitors. There is not only the expertise of the manufacturer, who is specialised in this sector, it's not only the design, the beauty, the sailing skills, plus the quality of the materials and production processes, as well as the furnishings created by famous designers. In addition to all this, there is still something more. Four large decks with a total area of 323 square metres. That is a record for a hull of almost 28.5 metres, yet CE certified within 24 metres. At the bow, the wide-body main deck widens the owner's cabin to increase comfort and enhance the thrill of living out on the sea. Despite its size, the profile is slim. It's a true masterpiece of style signed by Filippo Salvetti. Custom Line Navetta 30 deserves a large open-air space. On the sun deck, in the stern area, the furniture is freestanding, with a very large sofa. The best place to enjoy an aperitif is towards the bow. A spiral staircase of carbon, teak and steel connects the sun deck and the upper deck. The dining area, with a table for 10 people, is located on a sort of patio and protected by a teak-covered ceiling. All the interior and exterior furnishings are designed by two well-known names, Antonio Chiterio and Patricia Veal, who have designed exclusive furniture elements precisely for this model. The most current residential design has been reworked with shapes and materials typical of the nautical tradition, such as steel, wood and rope. From the inside, there is a total view of the panorama. The TV is invisible even when it's on display. In the wheelhouse, there is an advanced integrated system for navigation, control and complete management of the entire yacht. On the upper deck, a large passway connects the stern with the bow, passing next to the area equipped for manoeuvres. The bow is charming. It is very elegant, very large, and a comfortable terrace overlooking the sea. Large storage spaces are present in the mooring area. Navetta 30 is powered by two diesel engines, up to a maximum power of 1,200 horsepower each. On the main deck, the outside cockpit is very welcoming and well sheltered. The sofa has gigantic dimensions. Natural light makes its way inside through huge windows and two sliding windows, which help expand the spaces and allow access to the external walkway. The convivial area is furnished with elements that do not limit the view, because the goal is to make you perceive the feeling of being outdoors, but with the comfort of luxurious and air-conditioned interiors. The blue colour of the fabrics goes well with the colour of the sea. The TV appears only when needed. Artificial lighting has been arranged to enhance the beauty of the design. A large storage room precedes the entrance to the kitchen. From here, you can reach the crew area with 3 cabins for a total of 5 beds. Each cabin has its own bathroom. "30 square meters are dedicated to the owner's cabin. The study area has a splendid view of the sea. There are many storage compartments, yet they are not apparent. For the wardrobe, there is also a spacious walk-in closet. Multiple and large windows let in all the light you want. The owner's cabin has a dedicated bathroom divided into 3 areas: sinks, bathroom fixtures and a shower. The bulkhead cladding was specially designed for this yacht. On the lower deck there are 7 cabins, 4 of which are for the guests and 3 are for the crew. An entirely teak staircase leads to the guest area. Of the 4 bright cabins, 2 are double and the other 2 have single beds. They all have their own bathroom. There is also the possibility to add an additional bed. On Navetta 30, the patented dual-mode transom system is even more advanced. The hatch allows you to obtain a great beach area. The innovative handling also allows you to easily launch the tender and a jet ski. Navetta 30 is optimized for displacement navigation. It reaches a maximum speed of 15 knots, and at 10 knots, the range is about 2,000 miles. The damping joints muffle the vibrations of the propulsion system. The independent electro-hydraulic rudders allow rapid movements, and the stabilization systems reduce the oscillation angles. The construction of the floors and soundproofing barriers make it extremely silent. Navetta 30 stands for space and style, but also technology and comfort.